Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that there was a debate between him and Hur bin Qais bin Hasan Fazari on the topic who was the companion of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said he was Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Then Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by them. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu whereupon called him and said, "O Abu Tufail, come here. I and my this companion had a debate on this topic, that who was the person Hazrat Moses alayhi salam asked the way to meet him. Have you heard anything about it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam?" Hazrat Ubay radiyallahu anhu said, "I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam say that Hazrat Moses alayhi salam was among a group of Banu Israel, when a man came and asked, 'Do you know any more knowledgeable person than you?' Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, 'No.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon sent revelation to him, 'Rather our bondsman Khizr is.' Then Hazrat Moses alayhi salam requested the way to see him. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made a fish a sign for them, and it was said to him, 'Return when you find the fish lost. You will undoubtedly meet him.' Then Hazrat Moses alayhi salam set out and kept walking so long as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said to his companion, 'Bring our breakfast.' When Hazrat Moses alayhi salam asked his companion for breakfast, he said, 'Did you not observe when we reached near the rock, I undoubtedly forgot to remind the fish, and the Satan made me forget, so that I may mention it?' Hazrat Moses alayhi salam said, 'That is what we wanted.' Then they turned back, retracing their footsteps. Then they found Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Then their episode occurred, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has reported. However, Yunus' narration says he followed the traces of the fish in the sea. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6118.